Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking physical ports so you connect the right cable. Inspect the MacBook Pro's port label. Thunderbolt/USB-C behaves differently than HDMI. Then check the monitor's available input and decide if you need an adapter. Once done, pick a high-quality cable rated for 4K or your target resolution. Lower spec cables cause flicker. You should also power on the monitor and place it within cable reach before you plug anything in to avoid strain on connectors. You next attach the chosen cable or adapter. Plug into the Mac first if using bus-powered hubs, otherwise plug the monitor then the Mac to ensure handshake. Once connected, open System Settings and go to Displays. Mac OS usually detects the monitor, but click Detect Displays if it doesn't. Arrange the screens visually to match physical placement and choose mirror versus extended depending on workflow. Make sure to set resolution and refresh rate to match the monitor's native specs, so text and motion are. You finish by adjusting color profile and scaling so windows and text are comfortable. Calibrate if accurate color is important. If the monitor shows no signal, first swap the cable or try a different port. Many problems are simple hardware or adapter mismatches. Once you've ruled out cables, restart your Mac, and when necessary, reset NVRAM or SMC to clear display handshakes. If issues persist, check the monitor firmware or test the display with another device to isolate whether the Mac or monitor needs attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.